Okay, we're back a few minutes later. I've got the bottom plate put on now. Pretty close. Put nails every 8 inches. A couple at the end here. A couple on that end. Another 8 inches. A couple on that end. A couple on that end. All 8 inches. A couple on that end. A couple on that end. That's just doghouse, you know. It's pretty heavy duty. That's not coming apart anytime soon. So now we'll start building some walls here for it. Maybe I might even put in a California corner. Insulated drywall? What should I do? Any ideas? Insulating might not be a bad idea for the winter. In the summer, keep her cool. She's about a 50-pound dog. She'll fit in here no problem. It's 2.5 feet wide, thereabouts. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 foot or so. So here's all my timbers for my walls. I gotta cut a few more and get my top plate, and we'll go from there.